Hello, this is Richard, New World Transco. Here's just a brief video of beginning disassembly of a B500 Allison transmission from a tour bus. Customer states just high mileage and exchange transmission due to high mileage, that the transmission was working perfectly, which is, it could be. But this is the damage we found. Big chunks of metal in there, front cover damage, torque converter turbine just worn out from high mileage. That's hard part damage. And busted valve housing due to installation. Not all the valve housing bolts were installed to keep transmission snug against the engine. Thank you for watching a short video of this disassembly.